Today I'm going to talk to you about the dangers of social media in criminal cases. So what is prevalent in today's world is we all have, most of us have some form of social media. What has happened and what seems to continue to happen in a lot of criminal cases, and many criminal cases that I defend, is that posts that people put up are now being utilized by police to establish that clients are behaving in certain ways, affiliated with certain people. And what I would caution people against is if you're charged with a serious criminal offense, or if you're charged with a threat against somebody, or you have issues related to police, the last thing you want to be doing upon being charged is continuously posting on your social media information as relates to the criminal offense or the behavior that resulted in the criminal offense. So, for example, if you're charged with something such as gang violence, you do not want to be posting, which seems obvious, photos of the gang affiliation. If you're charged with firearms offenses, illegal firearms offenses, you do not, again, want to be charged, posting photo after photo of yourself posing with firearms, whether they be real or fake, with firearms which may seem to look or may appear to be illegal. While you may see this as benign and you may see this as private, the world of Facebook and the world of Instagram and whatnot is something that law enforcement is constantly monitoring. They're monitoring often before you're charged and often after you're charged. And this is something that people forget and often emerges in the criminal trial. So my advice is, if you are charged with an offense and you want to maintain social media, keep it clean. Don't have anything related to the criminal offense on it. If you really are doing best practice, close down the social media. Investigators are garnering a lot of information from social media these days. They look at your friends, they look at your affiliations, they look at your behaviors, they look at your posts. And from my perspective, it can only hurt you. So be careful with social media, and if you're charged, I suggest stay off of it. If it's any way related to behaviors which you have captured on social media, even historically, because investigators use it, they look at it, they analyze it, and they ultimately provide to the prosecutor. And it will all often end up in a courtroom where battles are being fought about whether it's evidence that can be used to establish, you're a person of bad character, you're a person who has a tendency to commit these type of offenses. Again, as I say, these are contested things. These are the evidence. There's issues as to whether this type of evidence is good evidence. But why give the prosecution and the police this opportunity? So be very careful as relates to social media, and that's my caution to provide anybody who's charged with a criminal offense. That's all I have to say for today. If you have any questions, please shoot me an email, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible if it's related to this or any other criminal offense or any other type of law. I'll connect you with another lawyer who can assist. My name is Dan Murphy, and I'm a criminal lawyer in Edmonton, and I'm happy to help you. Okay, thank you very much, and have a good day.